Hey there, everybody. Right. Sorry, my wife hollered at me right as I hit start. She didn't know I was starting the video, and I had to pause and answer real quick. 8.3, we are adding and subtracting radicals. And welcome back, everybody. So to start with, we need to describe what a like radical is. Like radicals, they have the same index and radicand. So like the square root of x, square root of x. These are like. Even if we have coefficients in front. 2 times the square root of x, 3 times, I don't know why, I'm going to get rid of the index. We don't need to see the index. 2 square root of x, 3 square root of x are alike. 2 square root of x and 3 fifth root of x are not like. And neither is if we have a different exponent on the inside. So if we have like radicals, we add or subtract the coefficients. If you have 5 square root of x plus 3 square root of x, this is 5 plus 3 square root of x, which is 8 square root of x. And I think you could, fair enough, skip this step. But I wanted to show it. If we have the square root of 28x minus square root of 20x, this is 4 times 7. This is 4 times 5. I can do this as square root of 4 times square root of 7x minus square root of 4 times square root of 5x. And this is 2 square root of 7x minus 2 square root of 5x. These are different radicands. One's got a 7, one's got a 5. They don't combine anymore. This is as simple as it gets. If we have cube root of, let's do 48x cubed y squared, and we're going to subtract 2xy 75 square root of 75x. That should not say cube root. That should be a 3 out front. So we're going to see what we can do. 48 is 6 times 8. This is 2 times 3 and 2 times 2 times 2. So I've got 2 to the 4th power times 3 x cubed y squared minus 75 is 25 times 3, which is 5 squared times 3. 5 squared times 3x. we're going to break this x up into x squared times x. So this becomes 3, 2 to the 4th power. I'm going to put the x squared, y squared here, and then the 3x here at the end, minus 2xy square root of 5 squared, 3x at the end. And we can see we're going to have a 3x left over after we take everything out. So this becomes 3 times, we have 4 over 2 for the exponent here, 2 over 2 for the exponent there, 2 over 2 for the exponent there, square root of 3x, minus 2xy times 5 with 2 over 2 there, square root of 3x. This is 2 squared. We end up having 12xy square root of 3x minus, this just becomes 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 10xy square root of 3x. And now the whole thing is alike. Because here we're doing that part. Can we combine this and this? Yes, we can. They both have xy's as well. So that is 12xy minus 10xy times cube or square root of 3x. And these are allowed to be combined as well, since they have the same variables. This is 2xy square root of 3x. All right. Let's give you one big one to try. We're going to do 2 times the cube root of 24x cubed y to the 4th power plus 4x times the cube root of 81y to the 4th minus 3y times the cube root of 24x cubed y. Pause the video, see what you get. All right. I'm going to break this up. This is, we got the cube root. This is 24 is 8 times 3. So this is 2 cubed. I've got an x cubed. I'm going to have another 3 here. I'll put it after the y cubed. Times a 3y. This 24 is 8 times 3. 8, 3. Then I've got plus 4x. And notice this is why we put a shelf here. If I don't have a good looking shelf, it looks like the 3 makes an x cubed. It's pretty important. So this is 81 is 3 to the 4th power. 81 is 9 times 9, or 3 squared times 3 squared is 3 to the 4th. I will separate that into a 3 cubed and a y cubed, and then we'll have times a 3y. Looks like 3y is going to be a common factor if the last one has it also. Then we've got minus 3y times the cube root. We already did the 24. This is 2 cubed times 3. I got 2 cubed x cubed times, I do have that 3 and I have a y, so it looks like that's going to be our common factor. So this is 2 times, this comes out as The 3/3 is a 1. So it comes out as 2xy. And we're left with square root of 3y, or cube root of 3y. And here we have 4x. These come out as 3y times the cube root of 3y. And here we've got minus 3y. These come out as 2x. And we're left with cube root of 3y. We distribute that. We've got 4xy cube root of 3y plus 12xy cube root of 3y minus 6xy cube root of 3y. So I can factor out the cube root of 3y. Normally we put it at the end, but a lot of people are used to factoring stuff out and putting it in front. So I'll do that here. And we can see these are all like terms as well, so we can combine. 4 plus 12 is 16 minus 6 is 10. 10xy cube root of 3y. That's our final answer on that one. And that's it for 8.3. Peace.